Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing and diving into one of the most powerful pre-built gaming PCs we've seen in 2025, the Skytech Viper Gaming PC Desktop. Be sure to check the link below for the latest deals, because this one's going fast. Black heart emoji, design, aggressive, sleek and RGB rich. The Skytech Viper looks as fierce as it performs. It features a clean, modern case with tempered glass side panel, custom RGB lighting throughout, and great cable management right out of the box. The airflow-focused design includes multiple high CFM RGB fans, keeping the rig both cool and visually stunning. Rocket emoji, performance, the best of 2025 tech. Let's talk raw power. Wrench emoji, CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. This chip is an absolute monster for gaming, thanks to its massive L3 cache and 3DV cache technology. It outperforms most Intel and AMD rivals in gaming benchmarks, especially in CPU-heavy titles. Video game emoji, GPU, NVIDIA RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7, welcome to next-gen gaming. With DLSS 4, ray tracing advancements, and 4K/8K support, the RTX 5080 annihilates every AAA title you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing 8K footage, or diving into AI workloads, this machine delivers buttery smooth performance. Floppy disk emoji, memory and storage, no compromises. You're getting a jaw-dropping 64GB DDR5 RAM, 6000 MHz RGB, which is overkill for most games, but perfect for multitasking, content creation, or virtual machine use. Plus, a 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD ensures near-instant load times and super-fast file transfers. There's room for expansion too, in case you ever need it. Electric plug emoji, power, cooling, and connectivity. This system runs on a reliable 850 watts gold-rated ATX 3.0 PSU, more than enough to keep things stable even under peak performance. Cooling is handled beautifully with high-quality fans and excellent thermal design, all while staying surprisingly quiet. Connectivity includes multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, high-speed Ethernet. Plenty of room for adding C devices, drives, or extra peripherals. Pre-installed Windows 11 Home keeps things streamlined and ready to game from the get-go. White check mark emoji, pros. Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a game-optimized powerhouse. RTX 5080 equals 4K/8K gaming, ray tracing, and DLSS 4 excellence. 64GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB SSD equals multitasking plus storage bliss. Superb thermals and cooling. Stunning RGB case design. Premium gold PSU and modern motherboard layout. Cross mark emoji, cons. Overkill for casual users. Large case may need spacious setup. Pricey, but you get what you pay for. Bullseye emoji, final verdict. The Skytech Viper Gaming PC, 2025 edition, is the definition of high-end. Whether you're a serious competitive gamer, a streamer, or someone who wants the best possible performance with future-proof specs, this rig delivers on all fronts. It's fast, beautiful, and brutally powerful. Fire emoji, rating, 9.8, a Viper built to strike and dominate.